Lights, camera, action!
Birthday one, honey bun, won't you be our birthday one?
Please say yes. Don't say no.
And we'll tell the world.
By now, it's probably no surprise to anybody that we got a birthday number coming up here.
Well, it's a surprise to me. I didn't even get a present. Me neither.
That's because it's not your birthday, nitwit.
Oh, yeah!
Jeez, folks, I gotta tell you, it's a tough way to make a living sitting up here plugged into the same computer as that fruitcake dog. Anyway, listen, let's find out which table is having a birthday party.
Okay, now. Let's have a good old rebel yell from the birthday table. Yahoo! Are we ready to sing that newfangled birthday song, Big C?
We certainly are. So come on, ladies, hit it.
Birthday one, honey bun, won't you be our birthday one?
Please say yes. Don't say no.
And we'll tell the world. Birthday one, honey bun, won't you be our birthday one?
Please say yes. Don't say no.
And we'll tell the world. Birthday one, honey bun, won't you be our birthday one?
Please say yes. Don't say no.
And we'll tell the world.
Hold it, wait, stop, help! Wait a minute. That song is making me very dizzy.